Alright guys, here's the Alocasia amazonica poly, known for its glossy leaves, looking Jurassic and reptilian. Red, yellow, green, my favorite colors. Croton plant, and a Pan Am right next to that, looking cool. This one's also known as the African mask, and check out that veination in the earlobes, and the backside of the leaves are super cool for sure. Right here we have a Calathea orbifolia. Just pulled it out and look at how lush and pretty that sits with its stripes, and would look cool in a shelf or counter, bedroom, bathroom. I absolutely adore and admire that plant for sure. Over here we have the Ficus Belize with the hints of pink and greenish. It's so cool to watch grow. If you don't have one, I highly recommend one for sure. And right here popping off is the bromeliad. Oh man, gotta admire the beauty and the colorations on that. The difference in the yellow pot really made it stand out for sure. Alright, and this one was 1898. Alright, hope everyone's having a good summer. On my way to Hawaii right now. Thought I'd make this voiceover video, and this one here had the tag as a philodendron green princess.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just arriving on a Delta flight, please make your way
let me know.
Terminal 1 baggage claim, carousels 14
more
or
ficus
16. Again, that's
orbifolias
Terminal
back
1,
there.
blue tram, carousels 14
I always think
or
of
16
Jurassic Park,
for
the
Delta
movie, when
flight.
I see these guys. And I just want to show some love to the new leaf. Must take a lot to push out a new leaf. Gotta give it up for the Alocasias, part of the elephant ear family. Alright, this one here is the Calathea pinstripe ornata. I wish this was like a pothos or a philodendron, you know, like an easy care plant, but this is still a mystery. I had one of these, that one's 1998, and didn't last too long under my care. That's one of my first 3 plants actually that I think I got, and I just walked by it and I got it, and that's when I actually started collecting plants. This was one of the first ones right there. If anyone knows the secret, let me know. Right here is a peperomia. I have several of these. I just really attracted to them. They come in variegation forms as well. Little plant needed some water there. Right here we had a Calathea full misto right there, and just love the way that the variegation was stroked. It looks like a paintbrush just went over it. Nature, gotta love it. I don't know how nature does it, but it creates definitely some beautiful specimens, so our eyes can really just look at the beauty and the differences that is out there. You know, there's so many different kind of plants. And right here we have a compacta star, a dreams compacta star, another Calathea. Love the way Calatheas prayer plants. I'm not sure if this is one that has a circadian clock, but definitely one that caught my eye. Again, that's Sweet Dreams by Proven Winners, Leaf Joy. Proven Winners has been made their presence felt for sure, showcasing some healthy plants, different variations as well. And bam, here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the new Alocasia Rumpelstiltskin. Look at those glossy leaves, and one look at that and I said, wow, it kind of gave me a combination of the Alocasia dragon scale and the Maharani, but without the toughness of the looks. This one, the new leaves and the more mature leaves kept its shininess. I just thought it looked so prehistoric. The way it grew, nice and strong, nice and tall, and just Alocasia Rumpelstiltskin. Somebody anybody. I saw that Gabriella Plants had this on there as well. And yeah, it's definitely been out there, but first time for everything. This one was growing super symmetrical. And this is on my wish list for sure. Definitely want to get into allocations a lot more. They've been catching my eye more and more. And I've seen many on YouTube. And thank you guys for showing yours so I can stay inspired and grow that allocation list and grow that collection. Here is another look right there. All right, we're gonna get to the hanging plants here, hanging baskets. We have a blue fern, some sort of fern right there, bluish tint. Anybody know the name, please help me out. Always see that one, I'm always grabbing it to check it out. Over here we have the bird's nest section, and gotta love those. These are really peculiar right here. The way that the tips of the leaves, they look like little hands. They look like one of those things that you see at the gas station that flop in the air with the wind. And they really look like they have two hands and waving at you. So this one I want to add to the collection as well. They look like little people at the end with little spiky hair, and would look cool hanging by the window. Definitely give it that neonish green, give it some nice contrast versus all the other plants that you have. This will definitely pop in the picture. And we see some classics, heartleaf philodendrons, Boston ferns, some marantas, another bird's nest fern. Saw a lot of lipstick plants. Definitely want to get into those. Been seeing a lot of curly lipstick plants, Rasta ones, the goldfish. Mine hasn't bloomed yet, but definitely gotta admire it. Loving the trailing plants as well. This is the Belus. Anybody share some knowledge on this particular species, a genus? That'd be definitely appreciative.
Where's the pink princess?
And look at that pothos right there. Super cool. Looks like it could glow in the dark. Right, so here's another one that really I was just gravitated towards. This is a orchid, and I don't know what the name of it is, but it really looked like a robust and really hardy orchid, and you could divide it into many plants and gift them and watch them grow that way. But I really want to know if this one is the one that blooms once a year, the lady in the night, something to that effect. But I definitely want to go back and grab that one too. And this is another fern with the blue hue, green, red. You get all sorts. It looks like a hologram almost, that plant there. Not sure the name, but definitely love it. And here we have a pothos. Just enjoying that bright indirect sun at Home Depot in Avon, Massachusetts. And right here we have a spider bonnie plant. Another one of the orchids that just looks super cool. All right, we have a Tradescanthii. Not sure the species, but gotta love that color. I'm sure of that. And we have a Cupid peperomia. How can you not fall in love with those leaves? Amazing. And this is, I believe, a lipstick plant. They had a big presence at Home Depot, and just love the pattern that they grew. It will look definitely pretty on any shelf. And right here we have, I believe, the satin pothos, amaryllis, a Hoya Waetii, I want to say, and the dog-tail cactus. This one, love the monkey tail cactus. And I've been seeing some cactuses that as they do mature, the dragon fruit cactus, they trail. I thought that was really cool. I never knew that about cactuses. Growing up, seeing cactuses, I always thought they grew like a rocket ship. And we have here, all right, don't know what that is, but I want to say it's a lipstick plant. Definitely looks cool. Twisted, curly, and just love the way that the leaves are just separated by a stem. And oh man, I definitely enjoyed checking that one out. And is this a philodendron or another cupid? Either way, fell in love with that one too. Look at how pretty that shined in the light. And down below, a begonia. See a begonia from a mile away. Shiny, unique patterns. Gotta love that. Bam, some fenestrations. Look at those holes on this new baby leaf just coming out with fenestrations. Gotta love that. And a money tree next to that. And one thing I do want to master is the art of taking care of a Monstera deliciosa. By far the most popular house plant. I have about 5 of them that I've worked with and took care of. I definitely learned more and more as I had more experience. And oh man, but I just love those new leaves. And it is a hello baby, that is Olivia showing me, I believe was the white wizard. And this this genus is just amazing, and gotta give it what it wants and needs, and that's bright light in the morning. They took the word monster and they added an A, and it's Monstera. It's a monster for a reason. If you don't have this plant, I highly suggest it. And if you do have one, I know the feeling. You just want more of these plants every single wear, and just watching them grow is such a joy. And one with fenestrations like this I do not have, but I think I might get one very soon. Go back to this Home Depot, and yeah, I've learned so much about this plant. It truly enjoys a sky view, and it's just, I can't say enough about this plant. Maybe I'll do a video on the Monstera collection. And we have a philodendron golden violin. Gotta love the shape of those horse head leaves, and reminds me of the Florida Beauty. Next to that we had a wide variety, a potpourri of plants there, aglaonemas, ZZs in the back. And guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Currently at the airport, and I shall be right back. I'll put on some music and enjoy. guys, bringing you some more beautiful plants. We have Dieffenbachia. Check out those strokes of green and yellow. Maculata Camille for $14.98. Next to that, we have an Aglaonema Fucit. I'm pretty sure you can pronounce that another way, but we have kids watching. I just absolutely adore and in love with this one here. I don't have it, but definitely on my wish list. Just love the whole thing of it, the way it's made up and created. It's so unique. And remember, guys, we are unique as these plants. We are as beautiful as these plants. I truly believe we have the ability to alleviate those stresses of life by connecting with nature. And when life does get tough, we have to think about it as nature would, being resilient, looking for that light, looking for those nutrients. The more self-care that we have, then we can care for other things and other people as well. And so I make these videos to just inspire you guys, just get out there and connect with nature. And speaking of connection, this is an amazing plant, Alocasia dragon scale. Anyone who has one would know the just uniqueness of it. Look at the makeup of it, the venation, and definitely on my wish list for sure. I absolutely adore this plant. All right, and so I am, currently at Logan Airport right now, on my way to Hawaii. Looking forward to connecting with the island, and I know a lot of stuff is going out there. So if you could keep Hawaii in your prayers and thoughts, and collectively we can overcome and help Hawaii for sure. And so I'll leave you guys with the rest of this video to reflect on, and looking forward to connecting with everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support thus far. Truly means a lot. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, take care, be you, be beautiful. All right, stay awesome.